The swag is not just any other guess. It's a calculated estimate. Boss, don't do it. It's gonna backfire. So that's the clear demarcation. Hey there, digital adventurers. I am Sanchit, your guide of the Internet General. With over 13 years of experience in product companies like Paytm, Airtel Engineering, Far Eye Technologies, as well as Tata Click, I bring to you the world of practicality. I have played multiple roles. I wore the hat of Director of Delivery, as well as the Technical Program Manager, Business Analyst, and Front-End Engineer. But let me tell you, it's not just about meetings or the deadlines. It's also about the grind, experience, wisdom. So I'm here to share the knowledge nuggets with you. I will help you to traverse this pragmatic world. Internet is full of chaos, noise. You search for one topic, you'll find 100. But what really works in the actual world? That's where the challenge lies. So I will provide you clear, concise instruments and ways to navigate your way on the job, on the flow with your colleagues. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Sanchit Kulshresht. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic and a concept. Everyone uses it in this industry. It's quite prevalent. You, your boss's boss, engineering manager, senior tech lead, your CEOs, your CPO, everyone is using this. I'm talking about swag. Scientific, wild as yes. Picture this. You are in a product review meeting. Your chief product officer asks you when I can go to market, what timeline I can give to my shareholders or clients. Normal question, very prevalent. The answer has to be near accurate. Near accurate. What do you do? Let's explore swag, also known as rough order of magnitude, also known as guesstimate. It is the art of making estimate with limited information in the times of uncertainty. The art of making estimates with limited information during the uncertain times. Now, before we deep dive into this concept, let's clear some misconceptions. And the misconceptions like the swag is not just any other guess. It's a calculated estimate. It's a calculated estimate based on experience and pattern. It's like tapping into a highly sophisticated neural network which has been made during the past 13, 14, 15 years of experience, and every neuron that is firing is a kind of memory. There is a pattern to it. So just imagine. When someone asks how long will it take to do this feature or to deliver this feature, your neurons start firing, opening up all the channels of past experiences, finding a pattern, analyzing things, computing so quickly that you will come up with an estimate maybe in next 1 hour. So that's what is swag. Let me share a spaghetti code saga. Now this happened during one of the transformation projects in the digital company where one of the developers who was asked to provide a swag estimate for a transformation project. Now the transformation project where he has to refactor the CRM, the legacy CRM. What eventually turned out that there were undocumented functions and interdependencies in the code. The whole project, which was merely a 5-week effort, turned out to be a 5-month-old saga. So that's why we call it spaghetti saga. Even the engineers started joking about this project, that it's a kind of Bermuda Triangle. Once you enter this project, the time loses its count. Now let's talk about the case of missing variable. Interesting story. So the team, the Scrum team, was working with business managers as well as few cross-functional product managers. The task seemed to be simple. They had to revamp the user interface of a gift voucher feature. The H5 means HTML5 native developer found it a quick task. But he underestimated the underlying monolithic architecture as well as the integrations. What was a simple task turned out to be a labyrinth of messed up integration. Sanchit was talking about pragmatic solutions. Where are those? So let me start with first. The first thing is you need to identify whether you are empowered to give a swag estimate. Do you have the technical consultants? Do you have the prior experience, technical expertise, wisdom? If these things are sorted, let's go to point number 2. The point number 2 is you need to take a call that are you going to do swag or not. That's a call that you might have to take. That's a crucial call. Simply, you have to divide the problem into 3 categories. Simple, complicated, complex. A simple problem can be a user story where you just have to refactor or redesign a landing screen, change the icons, means the steps are clearly known to you. The second, which is complicated, could be where multiple engineering teams are involved to make a user story. This could be integration of a new payments gateway where your back office team, your reconciliation team, settlement team plus front end team are going to work together. Here you require a higher level of stakeholder management. Third is complex problem. A complex problem could be where you have multiple vendors talking to each other, as well as your legacy system, as well as your enterprise service bus. Now, what is the decision making? The decision making is, if it's simple, you go ahead and do the swag. If it is complicated, get in some experts. If you don't have them, try to find out, get it on loan. But if it's a complex, boss, don't do it. It's gonna backfire. So that's the clear demarcation. The third one is about deciding the unit of swag. There could be 2 approaches. First, where your unit of swag, let's say man months or person weeks, man days, hours, is same as the lower level of estimates. The advantage is when the product or the project is in progress, you can clearly see the deviation. Second approach, where there are high level of estimates or high level units for your swag, example man month, and your lower level of estimates, which are detailed estimates, are in hours or man days. These are generally done by companies who are paralyzed by over analysis or analysis. So this was a third pointer for you. And the fourth, closure. Most important, if you don't do this, then you are digging your own grave. Closure is, once you have done the swag, you have gone back to the board or your CPO with the estimates. The very next thing you are going to do is deep dive into the low level estimates and see if those low level estimates are powering your swag. This closure has to be continuous, and this increases your credibility. We learned that swag is not just any guess, it is like a neural network. Second, swag can go wrong and it goes wrong. Third, four things as an engineering manager, technical program manager, product officer, or in any role, you shall take care which are pragmatic, which are implementable. So in conclusion, swags can be a powerful tool. It's an art. It's an art which is mastered with years of experience, intuition, and wisdom. Thanks for watching. Well, thanks for watching. I would really like to know what kind of swag experiences you had with your team members. Did you encounter yourself in a situation where the swag estimates were merely a month and it turned out to be a year-old project? Are you able to identify anti-patterns in swag? Do share your experience with me